Hebei Beygafol Children Toys Co. Ltd. is located in Pingxiang County, Hebei Province, close to the largest bicycle parts production base in China. With superior geographical location and convenient transportation, our company is a large enterprise specializing in design, development and manufacture. The main products are adult bicycles, children's cars, children's toys, etc. In addition, we have obtained CSGS certificates because of our high-quality products and excellent customer service. Our products sell well in many countries and regions all over the world and established a global network covering Peru, Mexico, Argentina, Uruguay, Spain, Poland, India, Vietnam, Thailand and other countries in line with first-class quality and reputation. We sincerely welcome domestic and foreign customers to come to negotiate business, long-term cooperation, and create brilliance together.